Hello, my name is Maíra Rocha, and I'm a professor at University of Brasilia. It's a great pleasure to be here in ITQM Congress. I am currently doing my PhD at the same institution in development and international cooperation, and I will be present the articles, the healthqual model evaluating the quality of health service in the Federal District, Brazil, co-produced with professors Ari Mariano, Eduardo Kemper, Ana Paula Mello, Messala Ciula, also from the University of Brasilia and another university from Brazil. The health system in Brazil is composed of clinics, hospitals, and services provided the competent among themselves for clients and patients, generating high competition, especially in the private area. A study conducted in 2009 by with 471 families in 5 cities in São Paulo, localized in Brazil, to better understand the perception of the public health service. Of those who were interviewed, 93% said they use the public service, and only 72% believe that the service offers is sufficient to serve the population and solve their problems. We can observe that the satisfaction of the user is associated with different factors and may vary depending on the location. So we propose an adaptation of the traditional ServiQual called healthqual to meet this demand. Thus, the present study seeks to answer the following question: how to improve user satisfaction in hospital services? And this research aims to present the factor that influence the overall quality of the patient care. Our methodology is a explanatory research with a quantitative approach via structural equations. They studied objects what was patients' perceptions of the quality of services offered in a hospitals and clinicals in federal district in Brazil. The questionnaire was applied on a Google Forms, obtained 173 responses. The model was calculated as a reflective model. The collection instrument was adapted from Miranda et al. 2012. And our theoretical review and hypothesis development talk about valuing in hospital service and healthcare scale. Many students are on how to deliver more value to the patient and their journey as a customer in a healthcare facility. In healthcare, the criteria to improving performance in the service offered in the Federal District in Brazil were here obtained 142 valid responses to his questionnaires. His results concluded that the most relevant factors in service quality are the technical quality present, the environment, and the administrative quality. The health quality scale is an adaptation of the cervical scale for the context of use in the health centers. The first variable evaluates how people judge tangible aspects of the health service. In the case of the health call, was addressed hygiene of the facility, equipment, and others. The second hypothesis evaluate aspects of reliability, warranty, empathy, and responsiveness of the healthcare team, such as the doctors and nurses. The third hypothesis asks aspects of assurance, empathy, reliability, and responses of the overall team. Finally, the overall efficiency with the factors of reliable and responsiveness of the health center in general, evaluating factors such as bureaucracy, waiting time, and speedy performing tests. After the calculation, we can see that the model's overall quality variables in explain 35% by facilities and structures, a varies team quality, and overall efficiency. As can be seen in the table, the proposed structural models is supported by two of the four hypotheses raised, mainly by the hypothesis H1 of the installation and structures of hospitals and clinics, and by H4 of the general efficiency. So, the students sought the answers how they improve the satisfaction of the users of the hospital services. According to the hypothesis, the most relevant factors is the installation and infrastructure needed to run the health centers. And although in the students found that the quality of the doctors and staff is essential in this study, it was not significant because of the priority of installation and infrastructure. For those interested, here are the references used in these articles. And thank you so much for watching the presentation. Follow my contacts for those who want to contact me. And thank you so much, and bye-bye.